Cryptocurrency. ADA. Cardano. ADA is the native token of Cardano. It is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician who is recognized as the first computer programmer, and is the daughter of the poet Lord Byron. Cardano is both a cryptocurrency and a decentralized computing platform. It has a unique consensus algorithm, called Ouroboros, that can validate transactions without using high energy costs. Every ADA holder also holds a stake in the Cardano network. ADA stored in a wallet can be delegated to a stake pool to earn rewards, to participate in the successful running of the network, or pledge to a stake pool, to increase the pool's likelihood of receiving rewards. In time, ADA will also be usable for a variety of applications and services on the Cardano platform.